Do you know that GitHub isn't just a code repo? If you knew that, I did not. I did not. I curated a list of 77 AI and AI related courses that are free online. Let me explain why I did it and for who. The link to get the posts is in the description if you want to get it right now. Well, if you're here for the BTS, let's dive in. Hi everyone, my name is Chika and this is Syntax and Script. So I decided to go full on this mode in learning AI as much as my non-technical background will allow. I started by auditing a free course on Coursera by deeplearning.ai. It was taught by Andrew Ng. The course is called AI for Everyone. It's a paid course, by the way. But auditing is free. It's just that you will not be able to access scoring your assessment or a certification of completion. And completing this course opened my mind to the endless possibilities and limitations that AI has. It was basically my first AI Foundations course, at least the first one that I started and finished, even though it wasn't the first one that I started. So I actually calmed down to assimilate all the info and everything that the course had to offer. I mean, since ChatGPT and other generative AI models became public, we just consume it. At least personally, I've been consuming it. I haven't taken time to fully understand AI foundations, and somehow I kept feeling like I've been missing out. Like there is more value I can milk from AI tools than the current way I've been using them. So I tried to go the AI efficient parts, like become more AI efficient, optimally use AI. I got so much value from the course, and it literally felt like my third eye had opened. But I wasn't going to just stop at an intro course. I'm a lifelong learner, and I appreciate the hard work that goes into creating a course. So I deeply appreciate platforms and tutors who make their courses available for free. So I mean it when I said that finding free quality and in-depth courses on platforms like Udacity is literally like finding gold in your backyard. Udacity normally has courses in nano-degree tracks or as single paid courses that they can cost upwards of hundreds of dollars, even when they are discounted. They are that price. So some of the courses I actually found and I listed are part of learning paths, and to access the full track, you will have to pay. But just the mere fact that large portions of these are free to access, free to audit, especially on platforms like Coursera and edX, mind blowing. Like it's just I don't know how to quantify the feeling. So my search for more free AI courses led me down a rabbit hole, and once I'm in full research mode, I'm thinking about my blog's audience. I have a blog, syntaxandscripts.com. So you can understand when I couldn't stop at a few courses, I had to get everything I could get that were free. So I curated beginner, intermediate, and advanced level courses. I even threw in some data science and machine learning courses, including interview preparation ones. I mean, after you study this data science, ML, AI related field, you have to make money. So yeah, I added the interview ones, get a job. That's the logic behind putting those ones in. So there are also certification prep courses in my list in case you're preparing to take AI certification exams like AWS Certified ML Specialty, Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate, or even Google Cloud Professional ML Engineer certifications. So essentially, I try to find something for everyone, no matter where you are in your AI learning. But I took special care to find a lot of intro to AI and beginner level AI courses that are not too technical and are suitable for anyone, just anybody that's curious to learn more about AI. So I actually don't like having favorites, but just because I've taken the course, the AI for Everyone course on Coursera by Andrew Ng, I don't know if this thing called NG, would definitely be my top choice, because it's beginner friendly. Anybody can take the course. Just be curious about AI. Then it's well grounded in AI foundations. It's 6 hour long, so you can just split it 30 minutes. Even if you're busy, you can finish the course within a week. And because of this course, I got more in-depth knowledge about AI. Like, I got to know about all the processes that are involved in training a large language model. It's not exactly too deep in foundations, but it gives you a general overview of what is involved in building an AI model. Like all the processes, the data scraping, the amount of resources that go into this, the research. Like, I feel I'm better grounded in AI concepts, knowledge of AI, just by virtue of taking this course. And if I had to mention a second, it will be Elements of AI by the University of Helsinki in collaboration with Mina Len. This one is more in depth, it's 6 weeks long, it's non technical, but you get a certification of completion. Like, you get a certification when you complete it. But it's still very suitable for normal AI curious people like me, not looking to become an AI engineer anytime soon. The other one is a 6 hour long course, even though it's very in depth, broken down. So it was definitely a pleasure and a form of treasure hunting, researching for the blog post that I eventually made for the list. My research took me to nooks and crannies of the internet that I didn't even know had such rich resources for learning. For example, did you know that GitHub isn't just a code repo? If you knew that, I did not. I did not. And it was such an eye opener when I was researching for this thing. Like, I found whole courses and books by big tech companies like Microsoft and Anthropic there. And to be very honest, I could have grabbed more resources from GitHub, but I wanted to stay on topic, like not veer off AI and AI related fields. So if and when you finish your learning, you want to expand by working on AI projects, go from beginner to intermediate to advanced. There are a lot of repos on GitHub, a lot of open source AI tools to work with. I had fun, plenty of fun, and a bit of sleeplessness researching this, and I hope you find this list of the AI courses that are online as valuable as I did while creating them. So there is a link to download the PDF format inside the post, and I've linked it in this description, just like I said earlier. Before I go, I made a post about this on Reddit. I made a post about the list on Reddit, and a lot of people kept saying I should add Logic Mojo programs to it, that they found it very helpful and well structured in their AI career, especially their data science AI career path. And I had to do a bit of research to know if I can actually add it on the list. And then I realized it couldn't make it to the list because the courses they are paid for. Only the demos are free, and they are time bound batches. Like, they have timelines when these courses are offered, because they offer mentorship on the course. So I thought to add it here because a lot of people found it valuable. And if you want something that's more structured, I think it's affordable. Based on, if you just go and check it out and you think it's affordable, then you should definitely go for it. It's a paid version. It's a paid program, so I couldn't add it to my list. And the fact that they also not just teach you and offer you mentorship, they help you to prepare for your job, your interview prep. So there's definitely a money back guarantee there. And they did not sponsor this video. I added it because it was a popular choice. So if you know anyone that will find my list of 77 free AI courses helpful, share it with them, and don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel so you see my next videos. Oh, and if you have a personal favorite AI course that you'd like to recommend, please drop it in the comments. Others might find it useful, valuable, anything. Bye.